Air Force One。
傻眼。
If you go by inflation, you're gonna be rich.
Yeah. Quick one.
Okay. Thank you.
Majority of who's on for Obama, he had a terminal pension. He was buried in Arlington with high honor. Well, now it's very secretive.
情报是。
对啊。
One pilot that flies president still
President
remains.
of the line。
核弹按钮在哪里？
Actually, it's not national security that does it. They just do the private vetting to make sure their identity remains. But the selection process still remains with the Air Force and the head brass because this is an Air Force jet.
总统那个总统的座位在那边。
这也太老了吧？谁会？2016年不是已经变成？2016年不是出 iPhone 8
那个之前呢？
是不是？我靠！
打自己。
原本就那么老了，不是2010几？
这个1970几年的。
是啊。
There's somebody's workstation. They use a typewriter to type up all sorts of things. Yes, like in Bolivia, a typewriter.
很床啊。
我靠，这是给谁睡？
These are bunks. People can fold them down, and it's a bed. Wow, so they have beds up here.
哦，我看到熟悉的人了。
JFK 啊。
肯尼迪。
会干掉那个。
First.
Please don't pass that. Here, rocks. I'll read your rocks for you.
他有去过的吗
Here,
？China 的
you
北
can look in
京、
here. You're not gonna go
上
up to the
海。
window right now. Hold on. Let's find another window for you to look at.
飞机。